Welcome to my Advanced Database Management System course. In this section, we discuss about database design tools and techniques, unified modeling language, UML data modeling tools, indexing strategies, prototyping, and iterative design. Let's enjoy. Database design involves creating a blueprint that defines the structure and organization of data in a database system. Several tools and techniques are available to assist database designers in this process. Here are some commonly used tools and techniques for database design. 1. Entity Relationship Diagrams, ERDs. ERDs are graphical representations used to model the entities, objects or concepts, attributes, properties or characteristics, and relationships between entities in a database. They help visualize the structure of the database and define the relationships between different entities. Unified Modeling Language, UML. UML is a standard modeling language used in software engineering to visualize, specify, construct, and document software systems. Class diagrams in UML can be used to model the structure of a database, including entities, attributes, and relationships. Database Management Systems, DBMS. DBMS tools such as MySQL Workbench, Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio, and Oracle SQL Developer provide graphical interfaces for designing and managing databases. These tools allow designers to create database schemas, define tables, and establish relationships using visual designers. Data modeling tools. Dedicated data modeling tools like RStudio, Lucidchart, and Vertebolo offer advanced features for creating and visualizing database designs. These tools often include support for generating DDL, data definition language scripts, reverse engineering existing databases, and collaborating with team members. Normalization techniques. Normalization is a process used to organize data in a database to minimize redundancy and dependency. Various normalization techniques, such as first normal form, 1NF, second normal form, 2NF, third normal form, 3NF, Boyce-Codd normal form, BCNF, fourth normal form, 4NF, and fifth normal form, 5NF, help ensure data integrity and optimize database performance. Indexing strategies. Indexing is a technique used to improve the performance of database queries by creating data structures, indexes, that allow for faster data retrieval. Designers must consider the appropriate indexing strategies based on query patterns, data distribution, and performance requirements. Data modeling notations. Different notations are used in data modeling to represent entities, attributes, relationships, and other elements of a database schema. Common notations include crow's foot notation, Chen notation, and Barker's notation, each with its own conventions for visualizing database designs. Data dictionary. A data dictionary is a centralized repository that contains metadata, data about data, describing the structure, definitions, and relationships of data elements in a database, but serves as a reference guide for database designers, developers, and users to understand the data model and its components. Prototyping and iterative design. Prototyping involves creating early versions of the database schema to gather feedback, validate requirements, and refine the design iteratively. Agile methodologies like Scrum and Kanban promote continuous improvement and collaboration throughout the database design process. Documentation. Documenting database designs is essential for ensuring clarity, consistency, and maintainability. Designers should document design decisions, data definitions, constraints, and assumptions to facilitate communication and knowledge transfer among stakeholders. Thanks for watching the Advanced Database Management System lesson. Hope you enjoy the lesson. To learn more about Database Management System, please check the next lesson. Never stop learning. Thanks once again to enjoy the lesson.